Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another airsoft and airgun vlogging. By the way, shout out kay Sir Mike Alatraca. So this is the WE 1911 with 2 magazines, airsoft pistol. So this is airsoft pistol, WE brand, made in Taiwan. Comes with 2 magazines. Ayan, 2 magazines na po yung kasama. Okay, bukod sa magazines, comes with free green gas. This is Pop Dino, and also comes with free 4,000 shots, 0.23 grams BBs. And may kasama na rin siyang silicone oil. So, comes with the owner's manual. So, ito yung magazine niya. This is 15 rounder capacity, single stock. Tapos yung isa nakasalpak doon sa unit. So, this is the 1911 Type B. Yan. Type B. Kasi merong Type A na to. Yung Type A, walang pikati ni rail. Yung Type A, hindi ambidextrous, manual safety. This one, ambidextrous na. Tapos, yung Type A, hindi pa naka-tritium. Ito, naka-tritium sight na siya. O, yan, ang ganda, linaw. Yung sa Type A kasi, all black lang yon at maliit yung sight. And then, ganda na serrations niya, oh. Rear and front. Ganda rin ng kanyang grip. Anti-skid grip. So, ito, full metal po siya. Yung slide niya is metal. Yung frame niya is metal. Yung grip niya is metal. Ayan. Full metal po siya. So, check natin. Ito yung magazine. Bali, dalawang magazine yan. Check natin safety. Manual safety. Working. Down safety. Lever tail. Check natin. Pag di nakapress yan, hindi rin siya puputok. Ayan. Workings. Tingnan nyo yung markings. Diba? Yung markings. Okay, 1911 Type B. Airsoft pistol. 2 magazines included. So, testing. Lagyan natin ng gas tsaka bala. So, lagyan natin yung dalawang magazine para matest natin yung dalawang magazine. Upside down lang, sir. Then, 3 seconds lang. Yan. This is 15 rounders. So, mga practice lang na shooting. So, mas maganda huwag nyo na lang isagad yung 15. Siguro mga 10 lang. Para yung spring hindi sagad, hindi compress palagi. Pag compress kasi palagi yung spring, lumalambot yan. So, lagyan lang natin ng 5 shots. Yan. So, nababaklas din po ito. Yung 1911 natin. Yan. Ayan po. So, testing, Sir Mike. Ang ganda rin yan, no? Okay. Testing natin yung dalawang magazine mo, sir. So, 1911 Type B. Bigat, oh. Pambigat din. Okay, Sir Mike, testing. Oh, ganda ng sight niya, linaw. Oh. Open slide. So, pag wala ng bala, open slide. Ngayon, pag malamig po yung magazine, take note po, pag malamig po yung magazine, pahinga nyo lang po. Kasi pag may malamig ang magazine, humihina po ang blowback. So, may tendency hindi mag-open slide. Release nyo lang magazine. Testingin natin yung isang magazine mo, sir. Ito yung isa. Load mo lang. Then, alalay lang sa slide. Para hindi mapudpud yung notch. Okay, firing. Oh, ganda. Yan. Open slide, release the magazine again. Then ito, alalay lang po pagbalik ng slide para hindi mapudpud po yan. So, ang gawin nyo po, tulak nyo lang bagya. Yan, tulak bagya. Baba yung slide, then release. Para hindi sila magkiskisan, hindi mapudpud itong part na to. Itong notch yan. Hindi mapudpud. Okay? So, yun lamang po. Sir Mike. Okay, again, this is the 1911 Type B. Hammer down pala. Okay, 1911 Type B Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol by WE.